Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we are here test driving stock number D20951. Very nice, lightly used Nissan 3,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's got brand new drives, air pneumatics up front, and then good regrooved solid steer tires. It's equipped with a 133-inch two-stage mast, 42-inch forks, load backrest. See tilt function. Very tight and nimble unit. Will get around in very small areas, especially for being a pneumatic tire, which usually have a bigger footprint. It's running the excellent Nissan H20 4-cylinder gasoline engine. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you much for watching.